Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Dariyat, chapter number 51, verse number 56, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ, that we have created the jinn and the human beings not but to worship me. What is the purpose of our life? Why are we here? Have we ever thought, what are we doing here? Allah gives the answer in Surah Dariyat, chapter 51, verse 56. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ, that Allah has created the jinn and the men not but to worship Him. So we are in this world as a test for the hereafter. Our role, our purpose is to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I've given a talk, and you should see this lecture of mine, what is the purpose of creation. When we obey the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are doing ibadah. We are worshipping Him. If we follow His commandments, we are worshipping Him. If we stay away from things He has prohibited, we are worshipping Him. Ibadah means following Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.